In the kingdom of Veridonia, doubt and insecurity spread like a dark cloud, causing its citizens to lose faith in their abilities and dreams. Among them was a young knight named Sir Cedric, who felt the weight of this pervasive doubt in his heart. However, he yearned to believe in something greater, something magical that could restore hope to his kingdom. One day, while poring over ancient texts in the royal library, Cedric stumbled upon a faded parchment that spoke of a mythical creature known as the Aurorian. The creature was said to possess unimaginable powers, capable of dispelling doubt and rekindling the fire of belief within any heart it encountered. Determined to seek out the Aurorian, Cedric saw this as an opportunity to bring hope back to Veridonia. Without hesitation, Sir Cedric donned his armor, mounted his loyal steed, and set forth on his quest. As he rode through dense forests and vast plains, he faced countless challenges that tested his resolve. Bandits lurked in the shadows, mocking voices taunted him, and even the natural elements seemed to conspire against his journey. Yet, the young knight pressed on, fueled by the belief that the Aurorian's existence could change his kingdom forever. As Cedric traveled, news of his quest spread throughout Veridonia. Many laughed, considering it a fool's errand. They believed the Aurorian was merely a bedtime story for children, a figment of imagination. Even his closest friends urged him to return, doubting the existence of such a magical being, but Cedric refused to waver. He found solace in the words of an old sage he met along the way, who told him, "Belief is a spark that ignites the heart. It may flicker in the face of adversity, but with unwavering faith, it can illuminate even the darkest of paths." The young knight's journey led him to the peaks of the Mistral Mountains, where the legendary Aurora Borealis was said to converge with the mortal realm. There, in the shimmering light of the ethereal dance, the Aurorian revealed itself. The Aurorian, a magnificent creature with shimmering wings and luminous eyes, greeted Cedric with a voice that echoed with warmth and wisdom. "You have come seeking the power of belief," it said, "but the true power lies within you. Your unwavering determination and belief in the impossible have already awakened a dormant magic." Cedric was taken aback by the creature's words. He had expected the Aurorian to grant him some magical ability, but instead, he realized that the strength of his own belief had been the magic all along. The Aurorian then showed Cedric a vision of his kingdom, plagued by self-doubt and despair. But alongside that vision, the creature revealed another possibility, a realm of hope and resilience, where belief in oneself and dreams propelled individuals to achieve the extraordinary. With newfound clarity, Sir Cedric returned to Veridonia, carrying the Aurorian's message within his heart. He spoke to the people, sharing his tale and encouraging them to believe in themselves and their dreams. Slowly but steadily, hope spread like a wildfire through the kingdom. Sir Cedric's own actions inspired countless others to follow their passions and overcome their doubts. As more people began to believe in themselves, the kingdom transformed. Innovation and creativity flourished, and the once doubting citizens accomplished remarkable feats. In time, Veridonia became a beacon of hope and inspiration to neighboring lands, all because of the young knight who refused to give in to doubt and who believed in the power of the impossible. And so, the story of Sir Cedric and the Aurorian became a timeless legend, reminding people for generations to come that the true magic lay not in mythical creatures, but in the power of belief, the belief in oneself and the belief that dreams could lead to extraordinary outcomes. In the years that followed Sir Cedric's quest and the revelation of the Aurorian, Veridonia thrived as a kingdom of hope and belief. The once doubting citizens transformed into a confident and resilient people, and their achievements spread far and wide, inspiring neighboring realms to embrace the power of belief. Through the tale of Sir Cedric, we learn that belief in ourselves and our dreams can lead to extraordinary outcomes. Like the young knight, we must remain steadfast in the face of doubt and skepticism, for it is our unwavering determination that can ignite the spark of magic within us. The story of Veridonia reminds us that we have the power to change our lives and the lives of those around us through the simple act of believing in our potential and the strength of our dreams. So, let this story of courage and conviction resonate in your hearts, for it speaks to the timeless truth that within each of us lies the power to achieve greatness. As we part ways for now, dear listeners, remember to carry the spirit of Sir Cedric with you, and stay tuned for the next tale of wonder and inspiration that awaits you on this journey of imagination and discovery. Until then, believe in the magic of your dreams and let your heart guide you to new horizons. Farewell for now, and may your own stories be filled with courage, hope, and unwavering belief.